I'm Misbah, a computer engineering student at the University of Alberta, and this is ChatVid AI, a tool that lets you chat with YouTube videos, get timestamped answers, and search visuals directly inside the video. Scrubbing through videos to find something specific is super annoying. Transcript views aren't synced, and you can't search visuals at all. I wanted to build a tool where I could just paste a link, ask questions, and get straight to the part I care about. So here's what the system does. It uses YouTube Transcript API to get the captions, sends them to Gemini to generate chapter summaries, extract video frames every 5 seconds using OpenCV, and embeds those frames with Gemini for visual search. Everything's wired up with FastAPI, and the UI is built in Next.js, Tailwind, and TypeScript. I'll now show this part from my GitHub README that breaks down everything step by step. So the transcript extraction is done using YouTube Transcript API. The section breakdown, chat with video, and visual search is done using Gemini. So the front end sends the video URL and API key. The backend handles everything else, getting the transcript, calling Gemini, and doing frame analysis. Basically all the heavy lifting. So the key features that I built are that you can paste any YouTube link, ask questions like what happened at 123, get chapter summaries with timestamps, and search visual stuff like where did I see a red car. It's all powered by Gemini's Multimodal API, and the UI uses a sleek theme with animations and glassmorphism. Some of the challenges that I faced were that React Layer was not working. It didn't jump to the exact second I wanted it to using the timestamps. So I replaced it with a native iframe, which works fine with my code. The embedding frames one by one was very slow, so I used a function called asyncio.gather to send them all at once to Gemini. Originally, I used multiple tools, but I switched to Gemini for everything: captions, summarization, question and answers, and embeddings. I also fine-tuned my prompts to make sure Gemini always returns a clean JSON. For the live demo of how this works, so I'm going to paste my Gemini API key. And I'm going to use this video by Mark Rober about CubeSat development, and I'm going to hit chat with AI. It's going to load the sections using the transcript. And while that happens, I'm going to ask it, what are the steps to build a CubeSat under 300 characters? Okay, so as you can see, the video sections are done using timestamps too. So let's say you want to watch the satellite hardware overview, you can click this, and this takes it to that specified time on the video player. And our chat assistant also gave back an answer. It says these are also clickable links, by the way, so you can use these. And for the visual search, it's going to take a while since it downloads a temporary video on the backend. So I'm just going to ask it, where is a frame with a complete CubeSat shown being launched into space? So as you can see, we got our result. So what's happening in the backend is that it downloads the video temporarily, extracts a frame every 5 seconds using OpenCV, sends each frame to Gemini using the asyncio gather function I mentioned earlier, and then Gemini embeds them and compares them to the query using the cosine similarity function, and the most similar frame is returned, and clicking it jumps straight to the moment, as you can see here. So what's next for this project? It's we'll add a speaker detection system. We'll have an option to save chat history and support for uploading local MP4s. Thank you so much for watching this presentation.